My African family, hope you guys are good. Koroma asked me location of the office. My office address is on the screen as well. When you reach Abu Bakr Siddiq metro station, you have to come out of exit 1, not exit 2. So when you come out of exit 1, you turn right. Don't go towards your left, you'll turn right towards Abu Hail metro station. As you're walking towards your right side, you will walk for about 5 to 7 minutes and then you reach a signal, a traffic light. When you reach that signal, you'll see a building after the signal. It's called Abdul Rahman Al Bahar building. The name is written on the top of the building. That is our office building. But there are 3 entrances. Entrance 1, entrance 2 and entrance 3. You have to come to entrance 3. Our entrance is opposite Al Ghurair. There's a building called Al Ghurair. The entrance is opposite Al Ghurair. You come to entrance 3, take the lift, M floor. When you come out of the lift, it's on the left side, M05, not M06. So you come to M05, you come inside, the office is the last.